beauties, welcome back to my channel, and this video that's going to be a tag video. This is called the unpopular makeup opinion tag. Is it called? Wait, am I lying to you? I could be lying to you. Wait. It's called the unpopular opinions makeup tag. I'll just put the correct name in the title. As always, I'm a bit unorganized. I was tagged in this tag. I was tagged to do this tag. A lot of tag in that sentence. Wait, let me go again. Ola Quinns here on YouTube tagged me to do this tag, and she and a fellow YouTuber did a collab doing this tag, and I think they came up with it as well. I will link both of their videos down below. Thank you so much, Ola, for tagging me in this. Ola is a Italian beauty YouTuber, and she is a subscriber of mine, and I see her a lot in my comments. Thank you so much for tagging me. I'm so excited to be answering these questions. I will put the questions down in the description box as well, in case you wanted to answer these questions as well, because I thought they were pretty funny. If you're wondering about this look, by the way, I did film it. It's with the Lemonade palette by Dominique Cosmetics. I don't know if it's up. If it is up, I will leave a link down in the description box. Otherwise, just know that it's coming pretty soon. There are 9 questions, and question number 1 is popular makeup product you don't like. And there's a lot of makeup products that are quite popular that I'm just not a fan of, but I would have to say that the makeup product that I recently pretty much said I hated, oh here it is, wait, oh it's right here, is the ColourPop concealer. I don't like this one. This does not look good on me at all. I am almost out of this because I've been forcing myself to use this just so I can declutter it. Under my eyes, this looks so dry and cakey, and it just doesn't react very well with powders if you have fine lines under your eyes. At least that's my opinion, and I don't like it. It works perfect as an eyeshadow primer though. So I use this either as an eyeshadow primer or to cut my crease. I didn't use it today, but I used it in another makeup look. That's why it's laying around here. That's how I've been able to almost use it up. But I just don't like this at all, and I see a lot of people raving about this, and I'm just I'm not a fan. I don't like this one. I have reviewed this on my channel, and once I ran out of this, like once I've gone through this, I'm not gonna buy another one. No, maybe just to cut my crease with. No, I don't need to buy something I don't like just to cut my crease. The mind of a hoarder. Okay, question number 2. Popular makeup product / brand that everybody else seems to hate but you love. Okay, I'm just gonna mention a type of product that I love and I use it more than once every week, and nobody else seems to like it. And you know what? I'll just the one I'm using today, Glittery highlighters. Everybody seems to hate them like the plague, but I kind of love them. This is the Dream Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It has some fallout. I hope you can see how well used this is. I have a mixture of these, these 3 shades. Unicorn, Magic, and Regal. That's on my cheeks today. I love highlighters that have a bit of glitter in them. It just gives you a wet finish if you really work it into your skin with a kind of a dense highlighter brush. It's not going to work with one of those poofy highlighter brushes, you know, the ones that people use, the ones that look something like this, like a big blending brush. It's not going to work with glittery formulas. You're going to get glitter everywhere. You're going to need something that's denser, like the High Cheekbone Highlighter FO3 from Sigma. This is my favorite highlighter brush. I know other brands have similar like dense highlighters like these. You really pack it on and like really get it to stick, and then you go over it with just a regular powder brush, and you just brush off whatever excess didn't get worked into your skin, and you get this super wet looking thing. I love a glittery highlighter, but I seem to be alone, but I really do, and this one is my newest favorite. I've been using it so much. I think it's amazing. Number 3, makeup collab you didn't like or weren't interested in. I don't makeup collab you didn't like. There's a lot of makeup collabs that I was just like not really my cup of tea. I would say that the one that I have the most like unpopular opinion is the original, like not even the original, the white palette. I should have brought it here, the Morphe Jaclyn Hill white palette. Not the first favorite palette, but the second one, but not the Vault. Does this make any sense? I'm hoping so. But hi sweetie. It's going to lay on the couch instead. Oh wait, my eyes are running. anyways, I didn't hate it. I did a review on my channel. I said like, it's okay. I mean, it's not amazing. I'm not like, it's okay, the quality is okay. I don't really like the colors. I think it's a lot of repetitive colors. It could have been smaller, and everybody was praising it, and I just wasn't sold. I was like, it's okay. It's not like the end-all be-all of makeup palettes like everybody else seems to be like, oh my god, if you get this one, you don't need any other palettes. And I was like, I don't know about that one. So I wasn't like, I didn't hate it. I thought it was okay, but I was just not blown away like everybody else seemed to be. I just was like, it's okay, I guess. Fourth question is popular makeup step that you never do, setting spray. And I know every time I say that, people are like, what do you mean? But I don't do that. I use makeup, you see all of those? Maybe you don't. I have a basket of sprays and I've been trying to get into it, and sometimes when I have a lot of powders, I'll just go over it with some Fix Plus. This one, though, today I've only been using it to foil my shadows. That's what I use my sprays to foil my shadows. I just feel like it's just hope in a jar. I don't know if it works. I never felt any kind of difference between using a spray and not using a spray. I just feel like it's hope in a jar. I spray on some hope. I hope it's gonna do something, and I don't even know if it does. So I just quit that step altogether. So I don't use setting sprays. Everybody else does, but I'm just like, eh. Number 5 is maybe the question that is mostly like, has some tension in it. That is a popular beauty influencer you don't subscribe to / watch. This is hot shady tea, lol. I would say that I don't watch or subscribe to any of the bigger YouTubers anymore. I try sometimes, I click, I subscribe, I try and give them a chance, but that's not the kind of content I want to watch. I don't think I watch any YouTuber over 1 million. That's not true, because I watch James Charles. James Charles is actually kind of entertaining. I don't watch all of his videos, but he seems to have grown up a bit. He seems a bit more mature now, and that's the YouTuber right now I'm giving a chance, and so far I have been enjoying his content. I am still subscribed to Jaclyn Hill. There has been some shady things going on lately, and it's kind of easy though to keep up with her content because she's only gonna upload every time Morphe does a new release. Hashtag sorry not sorry, but so it's kind of easy to keep up with her content because it's like 2 videos a month. So yeah, I am still subscribed to her, but otherwise I'm not subscribed to any of the bigger ones. Or maybe I'm subscribed but I don't watch it. That would probably be more like accurate, because I am subscribed to a lot of the bigger YouTubers, but I can't remember the last time I watched 2 videos in a row from them. I occasionally watch 1 or 2, but I'm not really interested or following them. That's probably it. Next one is popular makeup product / brand that you don't use, support anymore. I have talked about me not using and supporting 2 brands on my channel, one of them being Jeffree Star. I said that he did apologize, and it's up to him now to show that he's actually a changed person, and the apology wasn't even for me because I'm a white person. Like, the apology wasn't for me, so it's not for me to accept. But I have said that if he really is a changed person, if he really now he has grown and become a better man, like, he's gonna have to show YouTube. Like, he's gonna have to show. I'm not hating him. I'm not like super anti him. I'm just neutral, and for right now, I'm not buying from his brand, but I haven't shut the door forever. I'm waiting to see what happens, if he's gonna continue to lash out towards his fans, his subscribers, and to other creators, because that has been my biggest problem with him. Of course, the racist remarks, like, obviously, but that's like what I said, like that wasn't towards me, so it's not up to me to forgive him for that. But I want to see that he has calmed down and become a more toned down version, or a nicer version of the former him. So I don't have a problem with his personality. I just wish that he would be more nice and understanding and just calmer towards other people. And also Kat Von D. Kat Von D used to be my favorite brand, and she broke my heart being so first of all kind of uneducated, saying she's not gonna vaccinate her kid. Like, I will never get that. And if you do that, you do you, boo. No, actually, you don't do you, boo, because you're playing with other people's health. So no, don't do you, boo. Do like the publicest service and vaccinate your kid. But also the way that she handled it. She basically told all the people that gave her the rich entitled lifestyle that she's living right now to go and fluff off. And I think that that is just not the right way to go about it, and it just shows that she's kind of out of touch with where she came from, and I never want to see that from anyone. So it just rubbed me the wrong way, and she's definitely not on my list of brands that I want to support anymore. Okay, only 2 more questions left. Oh, it's only 8 questions because they went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. I see what you did there. So it's 8 questions. Number 7 is makeup trend that you have no interest in trying. And I mean, what was it, Samantha in Sex and the City that said like, I'm a trisexual, I'll try anything once. And I'm basically like that's basically me when it comes to makeup. Like, I'll try it. If it's one of those stupid trends with like wavy eyebrows and like applying foundation with your man's penis, like, I'm not really up for that. But other than that, I'll try it. I'll try it. Do you see how dark it's gone already? Sweden, loving it. But I don't know if there's any trends where I'm just like, oh, that's not for me. I'm always open for like trying things. I'm trying to look around and like think of any trends where I'm just like, I don't think so. I'll try it and maybe I won't like it. I think that the only trends that I won't do is when something like very specific blows up on Instagram, like the cloud eyes. Remember that? Nikki Tutorials did a look inspired by another Instagrammer with the cloud eyes, and now all of a sudden everyone's doing that. I'm probably never gonna jump on the train and do something like that because that's not really my thing, and I'm also never gonna do any, oh my god, makeup trends just to get clicks. It's also not really my thing. And the last question is, make a product that was better in theory than when you used it. Either swatched better or worked better on others than on you. And girl, I have to say this one. I had the... I was so psyched for this. I was so excited to get this. This is the Subculture palette. I have used this several times. I have made this work. Yeah, I have. I even have a video like titled something along the lines of making Subculture my bitch. And I have made this work, but I don't love it, and it swatches like a dream, and I don't care about the fallout because I never swirl my matte, so that doesn't bother me at all. But this palette just doesn't fit my makeup application style, and my makeup application style is to go in with a lot of eyeshadow and blend the edges, and this one doesn't really work with that because first of all, you're not going to be able to put this over a tacky base, and I love working with either a tacky base or an eyeshadow primer that you haven't set, and this is gonna look very patchy, and it's just too dry. Like, the formula is too dry and too pigmented. That seems weird to say too pigmented, but for my liking, you have to go in with a little and just build and blend and build and blend. And it's just, ain't nobody got the time for that, and I don't hate it, but it just works so much better on others, and I don't have the patience for this. It doesn't fit the way I want to do my makeup, and in theory the color scheme is amazing, but I never reach for this, and it's a shame because the color scheme of that palette is bomb.com. And yeah, those were all the questions. If you want to do this tag yourself, like I said, the questions are down below. I'll also leave the videos of the creators down below so you can check those out if you want to see what they answer. And I know that Ola did tag a couple of my favorite YouTubers as well, so I hope that they will answer the questions also, because I love tag videos. They're so much fun. And yeah, I think that was everything. 15 minutes. Let's see if I can cut that down a bit. Okay, 16 minutes. Oopsie. Thank you anyways for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content from me. I do upload at least 5 videos a week, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!